For 2019, we've got our new DF EZN1GDXE Deluxe Kit. Same nitrogen welder with our dual chamber nitrogen generator, this time built into a 5-drawer toolbox, completely lockable including the top, so you can secure all your tools, and it comes with a lot of the great tools you're going to need to get started on plastic repair, including but not limited to a set of our new DF DG5227 die grinders. Adjustable speed, very smooth, nice and light. Set of the most popular burr bits for plastic repair. Some panel disassembly tools, wedges, panel poppers, clip removal pliers, so that you can take your parts apart, as well as our DF EZN1HS hand seaming tool for fixing the tabs and flanges of your parts. Electronic programmable heat gun, our DF903 ring hammer, which is very popular for plastic shaping. Other plastic shaping tools, 150 feet of aluminum tape. Our DF800BR hot stapler deluxe in its form-fitted box, stapler with a full complement of staples. And of course, a full complement of plastic welding rod, including ABS, polypropylene, polycarbonate, polyethylene, and polyurethane rods. Last, you've got a large bottom drawer for storing any other tools you might need in your plastic repair station, and of course our quality Dent Fix cover for your machine to keep it clean when you're not using it. On the side of the DF EZN1GDXE, we've got an external holster so you can have your torches on the outside when they're hot, your air input where you feed your compressed air, and it has a high pressure nitrogen output here. This you can attach any whip air hose to. You could inflate a tire that needs nitrogen and run your air tools off of. On this side of the DF EZN1GDXE box, you'll see our innovative heat gun and stapler holster. This makes it very convenient when you're using your heat gun and/or your thermal stapler